Meaning of font.
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 Font. Font refers to a set of characters with the same typeface, size, and style. It includes all the letters, numbers, symbols, and punctuation marks in a particular design. Fonts are used in various forms of communication, such as print and digital media. The choice of font can influence the readability, tone, and overall aesthetic of a message. Different fonts may convey different emotions or themes, ranging from playful to formal to futuristic. Overall, fonts play a significant role in shaping the visual identity and impact of written content.